Hi, Eric. I'm in Waikoloa Village and the Waikoloa Ocean Beach, the Marriott Hotel, Vacation Rentals. And I'm at A Bay, or Anahe'oomalu Bay, shortened for A Bay. Anyway, I wanted to show you how beautiful this was, and I wanted to talk to you about drones. I brought a drone and I went to the beach and went, oh, you know what? I'm gonna go check. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the sky. Oh, it's just so beautiful here. Anyway, I was going to use a drone, and I thought, you know what? I'm gonna call security. Security. And they told me, no, you can't do it. And so if you go to any national park or anything like that, you gotta be really careful what you would do with drones. They are pretty much a no-no. And you can get away with it here and there, but I hear the fines are really steep. I was on the beach afterwards and saw a guy just launching a big drone, and I said, dude, yeah, it's kind of like forbidden. So anyway, I used to live on Oahu, and so the difference between Oahu, Maui, and the Big Island is night and day. This is a chill area. This is where you come to chill. I grew up on the north shore of Oahu, and nothing like this. This is just, you know, total chill. Everybody's really chill. Christmas. I'm here at Christmas. Christmas is amazing here. I really didn't get involved when I was younger in Christmas, but everybody loves Christmas here. It's just like they light up, they play music, they do all kinds of stuff. So this place here is just absolutely gorgeous. You can go on a glass bottom boat, you can go on a dinner cruise. They've got a nice little beaches here. This is where the whales have their babies, along here, the Kona Coast in the area. So this is December, January. It's really prevalent, and you kind of got to be careful with sharks. I hate to say that, I don't want to scare you off, but here it goes. So I got here the first night, and you know, I just went and jumped in the water, and I got out of the water, and the guy goes, hey, you're not afraid of sharks? And of course, I've been around them. I've been out in the water when they've been there in the surf, but I said, sort of brushed it off, and realized that about 400 yards out over there, way at the tip, a guy had been attacked and took off part of his backside. And he was in critical condition, but he got out. A lot of people, you know, were helping him, and he was a diver, he was a local guy, and had a knife and fended off the shark. So, you know, this in here, in close, is really kind of shallow here, so you can get your feet wet, you can get, you know, don't worry about that. But, you know, it's just like, if you're gonna go deep out, go to a couple other bays to do that. But, and I don't really want to do that. This wasn't a discouragement video, but I was just telling you my story. And we were at Lava, and we actually saw a small 4-footer come in and grab something and go back out. It wasn't a tiger shark. They're not, but the one that attacked was a tiger shark. And they're pretty aggressive. And I used to work in a place where we would walk the new sharks around to get their circulation going and stuff like that. So it wasn't new to me, but it still is scary. So just look in, take this place in. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at the sky. Oh my gosh, just amazing. So we were here just after the volcano erupted, and we went to a helicopter ride with Sunshine Helicopters. We went all over the island, but the most memorable place that we went was just the next valley over from Waipio. I guess it would be north. And they got us so close to a waterfall that I was waiting for the blades to hit. And it was like something out of Avatar. It was really great. If you get a chance, you know, shine the money. I mean, it's expensive. It was like, well, what is it? It was like $1,200 for 2 people. But it'll be the best $1,200 you ever spent. And if you like what you see, subscribe at the bottom. And Anahe'o, aloha from Hawaii. Swiss Army knife out.